Today I'm prepping paint to get ready for wrap. On the outside, bed liner in the floor pan, and in the bed. The bed is extremely scuffed up already, but it's also really dirty. So we moved the air compressor into the shop yesterday, but it's not hooked up yet. I have to wire in another breaker for it. So I'm also going to clean up the dash a little bit, fix anything that's not working while everything's tore apart. For parts, I'm going to go ahead and order the front driver's side fender and the grill and tail lights and just get it all here so that when I have time to work on it, I can work on it and not have to wait for parts to come in every time I try to do something. This passenger side one, you can see the armrest part is broken, but I found a place to order just the armrest, so I might just replace them both. Also, I want to go ahead and order some speakers. If anybody has any recommendations on, I don't want to say cheap, but put the original radio probably back in it, so still trying to decide what to do with the seats. The seat itself isn't in bad condition. I just don't have any experience in upholstery. Let's be honest, I'll probably end up doing it myself just because. Oh, seat belts. There's no way to dye those, right? I pretty much have to order new ones, or it's going to be the only red thing in here. So yeah, let's prep the paint, and then I'm going to get online and spend some money. This is a 6-inch nylon cut brush. I've done about 12, 15 bedliner projects, and haven't been smart enough to upgrade to the grinder version. I've just been using my cordless impact. But I feel like this bad boy right here is about to step it up.